Hey, so you want to go live on TikTok, huh? Let me guess, you hit that go live and sat there for 5 minutes and thought, where is everybody? Been there. No worries. Let's talk about how to actually go live the right way, from who can go live to what to say, how to keep people watching, and how to grow. No gatekeeping here, just actual vibes. Hi, I'm Royal Tay. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, follow button, subscribe. Do hit all the buttons so that you never, ever miss when I post content to help you where you need it. Let's get into it. Part 1. Can you even go live? First things first, you need at least 1,000 followers to unlock that live button. And you gotta be at least 18 if you wanna get gifts or coins. This is how you're going to find that live button. You're gonna go on your web browser from your PC and you're gonna go to tiktok.com/studio. And there you'll download it from your Windows or your Mac. And once you load in and log in, it'll let you know if you even qualify for the studio. Some people have actually gotten the studio with joining agencies and things like that. So make sure you are doing your due diligence before you hit go live. You haven't hit 1,000K yet? That's okay. Focus on posting 2 to 3 times a day within your niche using trending sounds. You'll get there fast. Part 2. Set up the right way. TikTok lives hit different. It's vertical, fast-paced, and people scroll quick, so you gotta be quick. You gotta catch them quick. Here's a quick checklist before you go live. Y'all know I like a checklist. Use natural lighting or a ring light. Make sure your AirPods or your mic is on and your audio is clear. Audio is everything. You're gonna hear me say that in every video that I'm teaching you how to stream in. Audio is everything. Everything? Everything. Make sure you have a good solid hook for your title to hook the people in. Example, ask me anything while I'm building 1v1 fights, or I'm not ending the live until I get 1,000 crowns. Or, here's a good one, first stream ever, roast my setup. People love to troll for some reason. Just make the people stop scrolling and stay. Make them stop scrolling and stay. Part 3, what to do on live. Here's what actually works on TikTok Live. Talking directly to your phone like it's FaceTime. Have a conversation. Doing something chill while talking. Doing your makeup, gaming, editing, unboxing, anything to keep people interested in what you're doing. Asking questions like, what city are you watching from? Or a hot take moment like pineapple on pizza. Pineapple belongs on pizza. Go ahead and put it in the comments. Either it does or it don't. Go ahead and put it in the comments because it do. Out pineapple on pizza. I said it. Pinning your call to action, follow for part 2, ask me a question, etc. Things like that are important. Part 4, growth trick most people miss. Post before you go live. I'm serious. TikTok will push your live to people who just watched your video. So post something relevant to your live, like 15 minutes before you go on. Post something like the dub you got yesterday that was out of pocket, or you breaking your ankles that was funny to your community yesterday, checking out a new Fortnite map, things like that. Get them to come in, stop scrolling, check it out, things like that. The secret to TikTok Live is energy. Show up and act like somebody's already watching you. People will stop and stay. Drop a comment if you've gone live before, or if you're trying to go live soon. And if you need more content tips that don't suck, you know what to do. Hit all these buttons, all of them. Follow, subscribe, bells, all that. Hit it. See you guys on the next one. Bye.